Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers, what's going on? Back with another video. This one's going to be exciting. I'm excited to do it because I know how much I like watching open boxing. And this video is going to be kind of different. I don't want to be like every YouTuber out there that just shows you all this cool stuff that he bought and you wish you can have. So by the end of this video, I will be giving you something in return. Because I just don't want to be rubbing it in your face that look at all this cool stuff that I bought. So we'll do an open box today. We got a whole bunch done. The transmission is out of the AK-47. I had some malfunctions at IFO last race. And I have to fix third and fourth gear. So I broke a fork and the fork danced around into the transmission and hurt some of the gears. So my transmission is back with Cunha at CLM. You guys have seen him on the channel. And yeah, we picked up a bunch of parts today for Oren Project Driver. The AK didn't need anything. But yeah, I'm excited to do this open box. I hope you enjoy it. It's going to be fun. And at the end, I will give you something in return. So sit back and enjoy the video. Alright guys, exciting part here. We got a whole bunch of stuff today at Tri-State Motorsports. We picked up, like I said, we picked up stuff for Oren. We picked up some stuff for Project Driver. And I got Trappy here with me. This is my crew chief for the AK-47.
Trappy Buckets.
My right-hand man. He's a good dude, solid dude. If you know him on Instagram, you know him on Instagram. You ready, buddy?
Yeah, let's go through
All right,
this.
so spark plug cover, K-series, little dress up stuff. Not bad. They actually threw this to me for free. I appreciated them for that.
It's nice.
Pretty thing.
Clean finish.
That's 2000 Clutch Master pump. This is for Oren. So we always buy OEM. We always buy OEM stuff when it comes to like Clutch Masters and
Best way to go. It's trustworthy. You don't want that aftermarket shit.
Nah, not too much.
I don't know, man.
Yeah.
When it comes to hydraulics, you can't.
I like
risk
the
it.
OEM stuff.
You can't risk it.
Yeah, that's 2000 for Oren.
Proven.
And we got the TSM spacer for it. Put that on there. Pretty nice.
It's crazy how that 2000 one comes with a reservoir. The other ones don't.
Nah, yeah. It just came out nice. What the hell was that? Somebody's gonna interrupt our video. I bet you somebody interrupts our video. Little dress-up hardware kit.
Titanium for the weight. Weight's
TSM.
everything in racing. Titanium.
I mean, it looks good, but most importantly, it's light.
Works.
So I don't know which car we're gonna use this on. Is it gonna be Oren or is it gonna be Project Driver? But
I think we just pick up 2 sets.
yeah,
Both.
we should pick up 2 sets.
Both.
Tri-State Motorsports, TSM, race, awesome. All right, here you go. You got some fuel lines. You talk about the fuel lines. This is for Oren.
This is, yeah, -4 return, -6 feeds, regular rubber hose. What is this, Vibrant, right? Some Vibrant?
Yeah, Vibrant hoses. Some of the best. I like it.
Yeah.
Picked up the K-tuned regulator. We got all our lines and fittings on it. Gotta show it to the camera, my boy.
Yeah, oh shit, yeah, that's right. So, the feed to the rail, the feed from the pump and the return.
Damn.
We got a gauge for this thing?
Yeah, I got a gauge.
Got shades.
Somewhere in here. Oh, there it is. Right there.
Oh yeah, now we putting this on right now. What we got? What is this?
We'd have to get some Teflon for it, though.
Oh, yeah, Tri-State again. TSM. They're killing it. They killing it, Trappy.
Nah, they doing their thing. They're doing their thing, man.
They doing everything now.
They came a long way, man.
Yeah.
They came a long way.
That's
a
fine.
bunch of other fittings that we picked up for Oren just to make this whole fuel system go nice together. Intake manifold.
Yo.
Intake manifold.
Titanium again.
That's titanium. Oh, we got more titanium. This is the exhaust.
TSM is killing it again, bro. That's fire, man. That's fire.
This is so awesome and affordable too. Yeah. Very affordable. Their prices are beating a lot of competitors.
People don't understand like the difference titanium makes as far as weight. It's ridiculous.
I mean, if we could swap out every bolt, nut, and make it titanium,
it's like 40 pounds in a car.
Yeah, at least 40 pounds
in a car. Easy,
yeah, you could
40
save.
pounds.
You could save a lot just doing that. Coolant temp. TSM. Very nice. I don't know if the zooming is correct here.
Yeah.
We picked up a lot of TSM stuff. I'll be honest with you, we picked up a lot of TSM stuff today because of one thing. It's affordable.
Look at this.
It's affordable.
Look at this.
It was affordable. Bro. They gave us a good
line.
price on it, and by the and at the end of the video, I'll give you guys the coupon code, and you're gonna save a bunch of money on this. I'm telling you right now. We got the clutch master out of the way. Oh, there you go. OEM.
Yeah, OEM again. Slaves. Tri-State, man, in stock kings.
Yes,
bro.
sir. Always have.
Even OEM parts.
Yeah,
bro, these guys is fire.
they stock OEM stuff like no other.
Fire.
South Bays, 1000cc injectors.
Pick them up. These? Oh, these come. And we got pigtails.
And they come with the pigtails. Yeah, these are gonna be for Oren. Oren's gonna have 1000 cc's.
They ethanol friendly too. Hot boy summer. Hot boy summer trappy.
Doing a video here.
Hot boy summer.
Neochrome 17mm lug nuts for Oren. I wanted to switch that all up.
It's coming with a lock too, right?
Yeah, it comes with a lock. 5 lug. Nice. Ooh, good. Good color.
It's gonna look good on that wheel.
Comes with a lock. Neochrome. It's gonna look real good on that gunmetal wheel. What else we got here, Trappy? Clutch line kit. Which one is this? I forget which company this was, but
we wrapped up. That was dang, what was it?
I don't know. It's a clutch line kit with a banjo end.
Yeah.
This is gonna be for Oren.
With the fittings.
Came with the fittings. More vibrant stuff here. Just the regular fittings, like I said, to finish up the fuel line. All right, oil pump chain, K20, because we're doing the. Let's move this box here. We're doing the K20 oil pump on Project Driver. It's a K24 TSX. So we picked up a stock TSX, stock K20 oil pump. I'm gonna show you guys how to cut and install that on your own. But when you're doing a 24 pump, when you're doing a K20 pump, you need the oil pump, the K20 oil chain, and most importantly, the windage tray, K20. So we've got the oil stuff all figured out for Project Driver's motor.
And the pump, you're going to show them how to modify the pump, right?
I'm going to show them how to modify the pump. I'm going to show them where to cut. I'm going to show them where to bolt. What do you got here? This came from, this is from Aunt Annie. If you guys are on Instagram, follow Aunt Annie. His name is Ant, E-N-Y. I don't care how you find him, He buys cars and he parts them out for a very, very good price. The only downfall to it, and I know this is hypocritical, but he doesn't really ship. But this small items, he doesn't mind shipping. So I know what this is.
His deals is good though.
Nah, his deals is
worth the drive.
His deals are ridiculous. This guy's selling like race shells for like $3,000.
He must have like 3 in stock a week.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Like, and they're really, really clean shells at a fair price. So they're super fair. You get a shell from him, you could probably get a project going for like 10-15 grand out of and like.
Yep, absolutely. Yeah, he's the man when it comes to that. Hasport sub harness. This is going to be for Project Driver. I picked this up for 150 bucks. Not bad. Everything is there. It looks neat. It looks complete. Just got to figure out where some of the stuff goes, and that's it. I've never used the Hasport one. I'll do some research online, and we'll figure it out. But this was a good buy.
Man.
What do you got here? Oh, suspension parts.
Suspension.
So TSM Race has opened up its own line of spherical stuff. So what do we got here? Okay, upper camber kit, upper ball joints, adjustable.
Yeah.
Really nice.
That's nice.
Really, really nice. Very nice. So it's all spherical. We can move that around. Well, not yet. There it is. It's moving around. Very nice. We're trying to really emphasize on the suspension on Project Driver.
Yeah, that's a car you gonna let people drive, right?
That car we're gonna be able to let gunners drive and have some fun. We got rid of Scarlet because it was just too fast. This one will be bone stock. We're not doing nothing but an oil pump modification. So what else we got here?
Definitely not the car. Scarlet was not the car to learn.
No, it was
anything
too fast.
on. It was
Lower bowl joint, spherical. This is all for Project Driver. I'm gonna show you guys everything on how to install these.
Those are TSM's line, right?
TSM Race, another one.
TSM Race. I'm telling you, on fire.
Oop, here it is. This is gonna be awesome. I can't wait to see how this car reacts.
This right here.
Yeah, you can
The
show them that box.
expansion is
Yeah, show them that box.
Yo.
Go ahead.
TSM Race. L19 head studs. Come on, bro.
Affordable.
Affordable. These guys are getting everywhere. They're killing it, bro.
Affordable. Those
Come
head
on.
studs we're gonna just have laying around here because you never know if we're gonna change a head gasket or something. I kind of wish I would have picked this up earlier. When we were doing Oren's motor, we could have just used these, but that's fine. L19 is a little overkill for Oren's motor anyway. So what else? Oh yes, very important. Lower control arm sphericals. Remove the bushings. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. We're going to order a press from Harbor Freight or get one from Amazon, get a press in the back, and then put those guys on. I'm going to show you how to install that so you could do it on your own.
Sure.
What you got? Oh, Gunners voted that in. Gunners voted this in. This is the steering wheel for Oren. Sparkle, all suede.
All suede,
Beautiful
sparkle.
steering wheel. Is there a description on it so people could see what it is from the box? I don't even know what these are named, honestly.
Gotta have like a model number to it, right?
What about the back here? Part number is 201902. If you like
I
it.
got this. Alright, which one? What is this? What's going on?
I don't even
No, they
know.
all say the same. No, they both say the same thing.
No, I think you gotta bring it closer.
Nah.
I'm not good. I don't understand how to.
How they do it? It's crazy because
I don't even know, but let's show them
Yeah,
the steering
yeah.
wheel. Sparkle. This is gonna look beautiful. We might install this
It
by the
doesn't
end
even
of this
say like
video.
a name. Though. Yeah,
Might
it's-
install this by the end of the video.
We
Put it
should.
back in.
We should.
Finish up that interior 100%. What do you got? One more box? Last box. Let's see what it is.
You know where it's from. You know where it's from.
Here we go.
You know where it's from.
TSM
Okay,
Race.
so, all right.
Another one.
Fine. They killed it.
This is
These are the traction bars.
traction bars.
Man, that's fire. Traction bars, man.
Yo, you the only Puerto Rican that don't know how to use a knife, bro? Come on, dude.
You stereotyping
Come
ass
on,
nigga,
man.
man. You stereotyping out here.
What a racist.
Hardware.
You know what? Let's put this box right here and just bring everything to the table. So let's start with the arms. So this is the arms. Yeah, this is the arms that goes to the control arm. Ooh, and it's veined. Look at that. Spherical. Veined. Very nice color. The entire thing. I like it because it's aluminum. You always want to use aluminum, not steel. You want a little bit of that flex. Yeah.
Wow.
Traction bar. Nice. Oh, it's adjustable too,
Yeah.
right here. Nice. So yeah, traction bar. This is for Oren. No, this is for Project Driver.
Project Driver.
Project Driver. TSM welded there.
Send you all the hardware, nice and packaged.
Nice. Hardware is packaged. Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, not bad. a lot of TSM stuff because, like I said, it was affordable. So I'll leave the description. In the description, I'll leave their website and I'll give you this coupon code. It's TSM15. Guys, I don't care what the hell you do with it. I told you every time I win, I try to make sure you guys win. TSM15, you can knock off 15% off this, 15% off this, 15% off this. Whatever I showed you that was TSM race. Whatever you want to do with it, it's up to you. They sell a lot of other things. And they're going to give us a manifold that we're still waiting for Gunners to vote, B or K, to give away to you guys for free when we get to 20,000 subscribers. But yeah, that was the open box. I think we nailed it.
Yeah.
I had fun. I hope you had fun. I didn't want to be that guy that just opens up all this cool stuff and this is what I got without giving them something back. It's the bottom line. So take the coupon code, enjoy it.
Vote.
And yeah, go on to my Instagram page. You have to follow them. You have to be subscribed to me in order to win the manifold. Is it B? Is it K? You got to go vote. So we'll end this clip. I hope you enjoyed everything that we showed you. And maybe we'll go and put the steering wheel on and then just end the video with that. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Keep gunning. Got anything to say, Tracker?
Young buckets.
That's it. It's on. What do you guys think? Pretty nice cockpit. Hold on, you back up so much. The seats. We're almost there, guys. Keep gunning, man.